welcome to the channel. In this video we will add some improvements to a RedMagic device to make it more resistant to the dust and water. As you know, almost each RedMagic gaming phone has a fan inside as a part of the active cooling system to help extract the hot air produced by the high temperatures of the processor. There is an important trade-off here, that the cover needs at least two holes. One air intake that is used to introduce fresh air from the outside and one air outlet one to extract the hot air. And after some time using it, is normal that this mechanism ends up full of dust, and of course it is better to prevent water to go inside of the terminal because might damage the internal components such as the fan. RedMagic is aware of this problem, and recently they released a post talking about it and how we can clean our device. I will leave the link on the description. But being honest, I prefer to look for a more efficient way to deal with it, so I started to investigate to see which might be the best way to prevent dust to enter the air conduct. And on XDA Developers, the user opened a thread to talk about it and suggested a potential product designed to cover the speakers to be able to cover the air conduct. And for barely a couple of dollars, I decided to purchase it and test it. I was not sure which one would be the size, so I decided to buy the package with the two options. As you can see, it arrives everything in one envelope. One thing I do not like is that it does not come with the installation tools it appears on the description, but considering it only costs $2 and you might have some of these items at home, then no problem from my side. So I followed the installation tutorial with some personal items. Based on the size of the air holes, I need to use the big ones to make sure the 100% of the surface is covered. Consider this in case you want to buy this product, since I'll leave the link on the description. I repeated the same process to cover as well the other side, and I still have 8 more stickers to use in case I need to change after a while. And this is the result. As you can see, if I enable the fan, the fresh air can still come inside. Of course, the airflow it is a bit restricted, but I think that for summertime, when there are more chances that we bring our devices outside in hostile environments such as sands or water, this extra protection makes a lot of sense. Also, during summer, the outside air temperature is quite high as well, meaning that there is less difference between the CPU temperature and the outside, so the fan is less useful during summer. Of course, this improvement does not make our RedMagic an IP certified device. Remember that IP certification is an independent test that manufacturers have to pass and also pay for it. And the numbers next to IP define the level of protection. The first digit is the solid particle protection and goes from 0 to 6, and the second digit is the liquid ingress protection that goes from 0 to 9. What do you think about this accessory? Will you be willing to use it in order to get some extra protection? From my point of view, I think it is especially useful during summertime, and since it is cheap and comes with many replacements, I think I will be adding it into my RedMagic devices during summer and removing it during winter. Remember that if you like this content, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.